Ulit.
How did you learn to find that?
Di, click mo ito. Click mo ito.
Girl.
Well, I don't know where I found it. I didn't know where you find that.
But where?
I just blind and I saw it. Oh, look.
Aray.
Look. Ano mo na? Like this. That's how. Click.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. This was the story of a boy who finded a random thing, but it was worth $100 million.
La 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 la.
Wait, what is that?
Let me go.
What is this? Stop. Don't go. I think I should find the bag. Do I put it here? Stop. Don't go.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, we don't go. I will put it here. I don't know how it's worked, but okay. Go.
I'll just put in here.
Thank you, ma'am. Go.
You're welcome.
Go.
Whoa.
Go. What is that?
I don't know. It's shiny.
Yeah, it is shiny. Let's close it. One go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Approximately $100 million. 3, 2, go.
What?
Yes, it is, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Go.
Hey, come here.
Yes. What is this? 3, 2, 1, go.
The rock is worth in $100 million.
2, 1, go. What? $100 million? 1, go.
Yeah, you're right.
Go. Yay! We got $100 million!
Yeah.
Wait, let me get a water. I'm finished drinking water. Go.
Thank God you're finished.
1, go. And go. I will get that. Go.
Don't.
Okay. Sabi mo lang sa akin pag go.
Are we friends now?
Okay. The one girl and the one boy became friends. Go.
Are we sure we're friends?
Yes, of course. Go. When can we sell this?
I don't know.
So when?
I think December.
3, 2, 1, go. Yay! December? Yes! Go. Nahabol ako. Wait! 3, 2, 1, go. The end. The girl name was Kylie. Tapos, ako naman. Kasi ikaw magsasabi ng the boy name was Drake. 3, 2, 1, go.
The boy name was Drake.
Thanks for watching our own movie. Bye-bye!
Bye.